Morning, everyone. Today we're working on this Dodge Dakota. Came in for a no start. Customer replaced their battery, still a no start, so they had to tow it in. What we found, immediately I could see that I had a temporary terminal. These are temporary. These are not to be left on because this is what happens. The wires get super corroded and they're just not able to pass any electricity. Oh yeah, they are just stuck together. Heavy corrosion. So this is why I really don't like to do these temporaries. If I get one in the shop like that, I will place it. Let's see, where's my part? Here it is. Okay, on this one we're going to do a double zero gauge, and these have a little solder puck in them. So you just take your torch with a pair of vice grips, and you just heat it up, and bam, you stick your wires in after you clean them up. So we're gonna make this lead right here. We're gonna, oh good God, so bad. Anyways, we're gonna replace this small portion here because it's just too short. It's been cut back. So I'm just gonna snip this off here and then fabricate a new little lead that will not be so tight like that, because I could break the post off in here and end up costing an entire fuse block. So we're going to get this all fixed up for this guy and get him on the road again. So if you have an issue, with your car and you're not really sure what's going on, instead of wasting money like on the battery or the starter or this or that, have it checked out by a good mechanic you trust, and they can easily find stuff like this with experience. Have a great day. Like and subscribe. Thank you.